Welcome to episode 53 of dailyshed. Today I'm talking about muting certain strings in chords to make a melody come out. And what I'm going to show today is using Led Zeppelin's Mak'er as an example. Let me just play a little bit of that. So you hear that, it's really just the intro to the song, basically the intro and the verses. And you can hear the chord and then kind of a melody note that's actually part of the chord. So the thing that you want to do, this is a nice example for this, because you have to do it in rhythm and you're playing the whole chord first. In this case it's a C. Like you play your bar chord C at the 8th fret, you just take the bottom 4 notes of that. So you play a little down up, and then you're lifting all the strings except on the high E. Okay, so the first chord, again I just do a down up, and then you're lifting all your strings, muting all the strings except the top note, which you're keeping down. I'm doing a little slide, so you do the same thing again. The second chord, which is an A minor, based on the A minor bar chord of the 5th fret. So again, you're playing those 4 strings, then you're lifting up 3 of them, the D, the G, and the B string. You're letting the high E string ring out. And down to an F. Same thing again. The melody note you're sliding up from the G to the A. Then G. You're sliding a melody note then again from the A to the B there. In each case it's the same thing. You're playing the chord, and I'm always doing just a down and up like that. Then you're hitting that chord and you're muting all the strings except the high E. So I'll play that again slow. It's a nice example because it is very, very melodic. It's kind of a fun song to play, and it's a nice challenge to be able to switch from muting to the melody note that quickly. So hope this is useful. As always, thanks so much for watching. Let me know any comments or questions you might have.